Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I will teach you how to build a website, how to build a fully functional, dynamic, professional website. Alright, with a very easy to use website builder. Even if you are not a website developer or a software developer, you will still find this website builder very easy to use. So if you are a new user, you need to click on the Get Started button to create an account, but I already have an account, so I will just click on the login button, then enter my login details, and here is my dashboard. So on my dashboard I already have websites and online stores that I've created, but if you are new, you can always click on the add a website button to add a new website, or add online store when you want to create an online store, or add a blog when you want to create a blog. So for instance, if you want to create a website, click on the add a website button and feed in your business details, business name, business email, business phone number, business address, and about business, and boom, you already have a website. And all you need to do is to start editing. So I already have a website, so to manage this website I will just click on the manage button. So edit pages, then these are all the pages contained in this website. In this website I have home page, about page, contact page, FAQ page, so on and so forth. So I can add a new page. So when I click on this button, new page, I can add a new page, and I can also preview this website as I modify it. So I'll click on the preview button, and here is a website that I built with oyasell, though I'm still doing some modifications on it, but from what you can see here, this is a fully dynamic website with all these pages created and all this content created from scratch. So I'll click on the contact page, and here all these were created from scratch. So with this you can create your website by yourself without hiring a website developer. So back to the dashboard, here are all my website pages, and I can also add a sub page to a page. For instance, on this preview I have news. Under news I can have local news and international news. So these are sub pages to the new page. So to modify a page or to edit a page, I'll just click on the manage button. So this takes me to that page screen where I can manage it. So this is the home page. Alright, so I can also move to other page from here. When I click on this icon right on the top right corner, so I'll see all the pages contained in this website. So I can click, for instance, on the contact page to view the contact page. I can also click on the about page to view the about page. So back to the home page. So on the home page we have components. These components are added to pages, and contents of a website are entered into components. So on this page I can add a new component from the list of the existing components that comes inbuilt with oyasell website builder. For instance, if I want to add a photo gallery, I'll just click on the gallery, then I can add this component. Then I can add a slide component. All I need to do is just click on the add to page button, and that component will be immediately added to that page. About, future, video, I can add a YouTube video to the page. So list, FAQ, contact. Then I can also add my service, the service I render, to the page. So after adding a component to a page, you can reposition every component added to a page. For instance, I can move the YouTube video up above the FAQ component. I can move it anywhere in the page, and immediately I do that, the page responds accordingly. For example, let me preview this home page. The slide is the first component in this home page, as you can see. So I can move the about component to be above the slide component. So let's do that so that you can see it. So this is the about component. I will move it up above the slide component. So, and when you come back and refresh, you see the about component is now right above the slide component. So I can go back and reverse that order. Okay, then when I come back and refresh, you see the changes take place. So that is that for that. So having added your components and arrange them the way you want them to be positioned, you can start editing immediately. So for instance, if I want to edit the slide, I can just click on the edit button by it, and here is the screen to edit or add new slides. To add a new slide, I will just click on the add slide button. Okay, I can add a new slide, and I can feed other information and click on the save button, and that slide will be added immediately. And also I can edit an existing slide. Immediately I click on the edit button, I can edit an existing slide. So every component is got its editor. For instance, if I want to edit about, I can click on the button here and edit about. So if I want to also edit service bookings, I can click and add a new service or edit an existing service. So immediately all this is edited, the information entered into the component is displayed on the preview. So all this content you can see here are entered from the components. So apart from editing components, you can also edit component titles. Okay, if I click on this, I can add a title and an introduction to every component. So also I can set component colors and themes and also remove a component. All right, so this is the best website builder I have used in terms of simplicity, in terms of outcome, in terms of display, functionality, and speed. Yes, I have used a couple of website builder, but for any business website, this is what I will recommend. I'm so serious about this. This is what I will recommend. It's dynamic. You can add multiple websites and manage them all from a single dashboard. Just like here, I have a lot of websites. So from this very point, I can begin to manage anyone I feel like managing at that point in time. And also immediately you click here, you can also see feedback from clients to your website depending on the component you added. I added a contact form, and immediately clients contact me. I can see the contact information and react to them. And also if I get any service request, somebody requesting for my service, after adding service booking components, I can also see their request here. So it's a complete business solution coming in as a website for every business consumption. All right, so I want you to take advantage of this. I've been using it. I can tell you, you will enjoy and you'll be glad to pick it up. All right, so to me it's easy to learn. So thank you so much for listening to me and watching this video.